this out. This is the application that I developed along with another developer in my team for the MIT Los Angeles Hackathon. And the hackathon challenged all the teams to develop an application inspired by compassion for victims of the LA fires and something that would assist either first responders or those families that are struggling. So we developed an application here for kids that may have lost their homes and their toys and whatever, and trying to ease the comfort of the transition of finding a place to stay, staying in a hotel room or a shelter or friend's house or whatever the case may be, and helping them through that transition. So once the user logs in, you'll see this. And this is our little mascot for KozyKit. And the child can come in here and they can select different images to play around with. And I'll show you in a minute. This is all, you can play with it in the AR. And all these models were actually generated with the application. So the application will allow the child to upload a picture of one of their favorite toys, bring it to life, and then play with it in the AR. So let me show you here in the library. These are all images that were created. These are all images that I turned into 3D objects. So for example, this one right here. So again, the child can upload one of their images from their toys or their, toy truck, cars, dolls, whatever, and turn it into 3D, and then click this button to place it in the hotel, their friend's home, the shelter, wherever it is that they are, and just play with a little bit of a nostalgic 3D version of their toy. Now we've also got the ability for people to connect with friends. We've got a live journal that our other developer, Greg, developed. So basically it's a journal buddy, just for the child to talk about their feelings if they want, or just whatever, just have somebody to talk to. And the parent can, of course, monitor this. So if there's things that the child might say to this journal buddy connected to the OpenAI chatbot system, the parent can be aware of it and can address it. And then we've also got skyboxes, so that if you wanted to, you can upload a skybox, or we can have some default skyboxes, so that, imagine it could be like a Toy Story scene, it could be a forest, it could be a candy land, or whatever the case may be, or you can upload your own or use the presets. And then you can select whether you want to place your object in AR on the floor or the wall. And of course, we've got an about section. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, you'd click this button down here to upload a photo and turn it into 3D. Pretty neat, huh?